Hey guys, it's me back again, David, with another video for you guys. As you guys can see, it's going to be completely different to what I do. I've got, on my right hand here, I've got the Fridget spinner, and I'm about to show you guys what this bad boy does, or tricks and stuff like that. And you guys might have seen on other people's YouTube videos and stuff, but I'm just going to show you guys just the advance. And yeah, make sure to drop a like for every spin. And also for the next one I'm going to show you is, I haven't practiced this one, but I might as well do it on the spot. But so yeah, like I was saying, I'm going to show you guys the second trick that I haven't kind of practiced, but you know, here goes. We got some. Okay, that didn't go as well. You know, it says. Okay. It's always good to keep trying. Oh, that didn't work that time. Okay. I'll get it.
Eventually.
Ooh. It's close. Oh, that was close. Okay. Okay, that was pretty cool. I'm going to show you guys another thing. 2 hours later. He's actually 2 hours later, right? Nah. Okay, that didn't work. Yeah, I definitely should practice this one. Hey, I broke it. Nah, guys, it's not broken. It's fixable. As you guys can see, this is actually a magnet. That makes it, that gives it the force to spin. Well, up, or different directions. Just one sec, bear with me, guys. Okay, I think I should break it. Maybe not. Okay, cool. Okay, that was close. Actually, let me do under legs. Okay, that didn't work. Okay, ready, under legs. Oh, that was sick. Did you like that? That's pretty cool, right? Okay. And also, guys, if you guys want to get your hands on this for school, it's an ideal. You better purchase it on stock right now. Yeah, like I said, yeah, on stock, because the weather's coming, summer. Because this thing can be used as a fan as well, because it spins very fast, like 1,000
Until it cuts your neck.
miles per hour. So if you guys don't have aircon, I suggest you guys buy this little things. It'll do its job. And also, the teachers don't allow it. Just just ask them. I probably won't let you, but oh well. Nah, but yeah, okay, I'm gonna go back to try to actually get a perfect one, execute the tricks. Okay. I know they say practice makes perfect, but as you guys, oh, there we go, nailed it. That was beautiful. So it's almost took my head off. Ooh. Okay. That didn't work last time. Okay, ready? Ooh. I'm keep touching this end here. I'm supposed to touch. Okay. Zoom it in. There we go. Perfect. Oops. Okay. I'll show you guys. So I'm keep touching this part here. I was supposed to touch there, because that's what gives it that spin, the rotations, and then it just, kind of just flows with. But yeah, if you guys want to get your hands on these bad boys, just leave a like below, like right now, just leave a like, and also comment below as well, subscribe, and also you turn on the notification bell, so you get your chance to get this, because I will be sending it out to the first, well not first, but 10 people that do that. If not, I'll send to the 20, so make sure to do it right now as we're speaking. And don't skip this video, by the way, because it's epic. There you go. Just to wrap this video up. And here comes a little magic trick that I'm just gonna do. Ready? 5, 4, and I'm gonna disappear. Ready? Peace. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure to do all those good, give them all those good stuff below there. And yeah, thanks for the support. Peace.